Hello, in this video we are going to teach you how you can write a sentence like a native speaker to introduce your products in a product review content. So here's we have a product reviews for laptops for seniors. So this is the intro part of that content, and then we have the buying guide here. Like you see, it's showing the factors you need to consider for buying a laptop. You have to consider battery, weight and size, etc. And there's we have the sentence that explains that now the products are going to be reviewed under this sentence. So you see it says, now let's read in detail about the best laptops for seniors below. Now look, this is a very simple and non-native sentence. So how the native speakers write these sentence to introduce the products and then start the review. So we will show you 5 methods to write this sentence like a native speaker. So stay tuned.